Hey guys, and welcome to your first NTI lesson. I've went ahead and posted on Schoology updates, kind of the agenda of what you're going to be doing this week. So today we're going to be working on dominant traits. Now, if you go into your course section, what you're going to find out is that there's a PowerPoint I really want you to take a look at, and it's the PowerPoint that's located at the very bottom of Schoology. So the complex patterns of inheritance PowerPoint. Now, the complex patterns of inheritance slide that you want to look at today starts at slide number 5, your dominant genetic disorders. So there are two that we're going to be focusing on today, and that's Huntington's disease and achondroplasia. Now, in terms of Huntington's disease and achondroplasia, you have to remember for any dominant genetic disorder, it only requires one copy. So those individuals that have Huntington's disease, it affects their nervous system because one of their parents carries that particular gene. And the same thing for achondroplasia as well. Whereas with achondroplasia, though, this affects a person's size so that they're small relative to their peers and their colleagues. So here's a picture of two brothers. These brothers are relatively the same age. So you can see that this individual here suffers from achondroplasia, whereas this one is your relatively normal, probably 5 or 6 year old. Now, you might recognize this guy on the right side. He was the actor that played Mini-Me from Austin Powers. Unfortunately, he passed away, but individuals that have achondroplasia can live normal lives. So that the occurrence in the United States, it's fairly rare, 1 in 10,000 for Huntington's disease, whereas 1 in 25,000 for achondroplasia. And you also notice that there's no cures for either one. So whenever we're talking about doing the pedigrees and doing the Punnett squares, make sure to refer